She works as a waitress. She works as a waitress. Do as you like. Do as you like. I am as tall as Tom. I am as tall as Tom. As you know already. As you know already. As you know. As you know. As you say. As you say. Do as you were told. Do as you were told. He acted as a principal. He acted as a principal. I am as busy as ever. I am as busy as ever. I am as tall as you. I am as tall as you. I like you as a friend. I like you as a friend. I will do as you advise. I will do as you advise. I work as a doctor. I work as a doctor. It is as easy as that. It is as easy as that. It's better as it is. It's better as it is. She acted as a teacher. She acted as a teacher. I can't run as fast as you. I can't run as fast as you. You can go fast as you are the oldest. You can go fast as you are the oldest. I am busy as a bee. I am busy as a bee. Eat as much as you like. Eat as much as you like. As you know well. As you know well. As you like. As you like. Do as I say. Do as I say. He acted as my guide. He acted as my guide. He came late as usual. He came late as usual. I am as strong as you. I am as strong as you. I am here as a friend. I am here as a friend. I said that as a joke. I said that as a joke. I will do as you say. I will do as you say. I work as a salesman. I work as a salesman. It's as cold as ice. It's as cold as ice. Let him do as he likes. Let him do as he likes. She is as busy as ever. She is as busy as ever. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.